Namaste to all. This is maths class for the class 6th, right? So last class வரைக்கும் நம்ம என்ன பார்த்துருக்கோம்? So exercise 1.1 ல first question fill in the blanks and then second one say true or false. And also the question number 3 வரைக்கும் complete பண்ணிருக்கோம். So next question number 4 onwards நம்ம பார்க்கணும். So அதுக்கு முன்னாடி question number 2 true or false ல fifth one, the number of distinct prime factor of 105 is 3. So it's a true or false. அது அன்னைக்கு பார்த்தோம். அதில் ஒரு சின்னதாக ஒரு கேட்டாங்க டவுட்டு. ஸோ அதனோட எக்ஸ்ப்ளனேஷன் நான் இப்போ சொல்லிடுறேன். Then we can go to the next one, right? So actually the question is 105. Adala 3 is one of the number of distinct prime numbers is 3. So that is the question. First 105 ku prime factorization first find pannunga. So 105 means we have a possibilities 1 into then next 2 table not 3 table 3 into 3 3s are 9 5 3s are next 5 table means 5 2s are 1 next 7th table 1 7 is 7 5 7s are 35. So totally we have a factors are 1 3 5 7 15 21 35 and 105. So these are the factors of 105. Here the question is number of distinct prime factors. So distinct prime factors abdina here 1 is not a prime number, also not a composite number. See, this is not a prime number, this is not a prime number, not a prime number, not a prime number. See, 3, 5, 7. So totally we have a 3 distinct prime factors. So 1, 2, 3, totally 3 numbers. So the statement is the number of distinct prime factor of 105 is 3. 1, 2, 3. So the answer is 3. So it is true. Okay, right, fine. So now we can go to the next one. So question number 4. Write the smallest and biggest 3-digit composite number. So question number 4. Question number 3 already paathachu. Question number 4. Smallest 3-digit composite number. So 3-digit it will start from 100 onwards. 100, 101, 102 and so on up to the last number 998, 999. After here 1000. So 1000 that is a 4-digit number. Same over here 99, 98. These are the 2-digit number. So leave that one. Then in center we have a value that is 100, 101, 102 and so on up to the last number is 999. Fine. So here the smallest 3-digit prime number, right? 3-digit composite number. So 3-digit composite number. So here what is the 3-digit composite number, especially that is the smallest number. So it will start from 100. 100 is also one of the composite numbers. So that is the beginning we can write. That is 100 is the smallest 3-digit composite number and also the greatest, biggest. So biggest 3-digit composite number is, see, this is the last number 999. I think so. The 999 has the possibilities. The factors are 1, 3 is also one of the factor, 9 is also one of the factor, 999. That is also one of the factor. Simply, this see the outline. So direct நம்ம பார்க்கறப்பவே 1 3 9 டேபிள் டிவைட் பண்ண முடியும் 919 சேம் நம்பர் டிவைட் பண்ண முடியும். So it has more than two factors. It has more than two factors. So this is also one of the prime number, sorry, composite number. So 999. Okay. So prime numbers now it has only two possibilities. Factors are one and same number itself. But see here the factors are 1 3 9 999. So you know array triple 1 la divide பண்ணலாம். So possibilities இருக்கு. Just simple consider பண்றப்பவே it is more than two factors. It has more than two factors. So directly we can see the answer, that is 999. Okay, right. Then the next one, question number 5. The sum of any three odd natural number is odd. Justify this statement with an example. Right? So question number 5. Sum of any three odd natural number. So natural number means it is as usual start from 1 2 3 4 5 and so on, right? Especially the question has odd natural number. So here what are the odd number? So 1 3 5 1 3 5 like 7, okay, so and so on. So like this. Here we have odd numbers. So these are the odd numbers. The question is sum of three odd natural numbers. You may choose any three. For example, I am going to choose the first three. Right? First of all, I am going to choose first three. 1 plus 3 plus 5 equal to, see, 5 plus 3. Answer is 8. 8 plus 1, that is 9. The answer is also one of the odd. The answer is also one of the odd number. For example, I am going to randomly choose the next three numbers. 3 plus 5 plus 7. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. It's also one of the odd numbers, right? Okay, so I think the given statement is correct. Okay, so we can write the answer. It is a correct statement, and also the example is the three odd natural numbers summation 1 3 5. Answer is 9. 3 5 7. Answer is 15. Okay, fine. So next question number 6. The digit of the prime number 13 can be reversed to get another prime number 31. Find if any such pair exists up to 100. So in this question they are given one of the prime number and also the reverse order. Like 13 means what is the reverse order? Reverse order of the 13. So 1 3. What is the interchanging numbers? So 1 3 means here 3 1. So like this type of pair 13 with 31. So like this, what are the pairs are available in our prime numbers? So first of all, again take the page number 6. Page number 6. So look at the tabular column. So we have an answer like that. So 13 31. So the என்னென்ன pair வேற என்ன இருக்கு பாருங்க. 17 71. 17 71. Next 19 91 is not there. 23 32 is not there. 29 92 31 31 1 3. So already we wrote it. So 37 73. 37, 73. Then 41, 14, 43, 34, 47, 74, 53, 35, 59, 95, 61, 16, 67, 76, 71, 17. So already we wrote it. Then 73, 37. So 73, see, already we wrote it. Then 79, 97. 79, that is 97. 79 means 97, and also 83, 38, it's not there. Then 89, 98 is not there. 97, 79. See. So we have a pair that is 1331, 1771, 37, 73, 79, 97. So we have a pair that is 17, 71. 37 with 73. Then finally 79 with 97. Okay. So these are the answers. So next one, question number. So next question number 7. So your friend says that every odd number is prime number. Every odd number is a prime number. So okay, first of all erase this. Right? So 7th one. So your friend says that every odd number is a prime number. Every odd number. So we simply write the prime numbers. Start from 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, so and so on. So 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17. So now the question is every odd number is prime number. Every odd number. See, this is odd number. Odd number, odd number, odd number, odd number, odd number. But here this is a even number. Okay, fine. So here remaining fully odd numbers. I am going to choose the another number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, so and so on. Here, rest of the number is 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, so 8 is also. Rest of the prime numbers are 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, right? Here, this is not odd number. This is not odd number. This is not odd number. But see here, 9. 9 is also one of the, is an odd number, but that is not a prime number. Also, it is not a prime number. Am I right? Am I right or wrong? So, even number, odd number in the category, odd number 9. 9 is also one of the odd number, but 9 is not a prime number. 9 into it has more than 2 factors. 1 ஆல் divide பண்ண முடியும், 3 ஆல் divide பண்ண முடியும், 9 ஆல் divide பண்ண முடியும். So we have 3 possibilities. It has more than 2 factors. So simply we can say that 9 is a composite number, right? So here the statement is every odd number is prime number. So that concept is wrong. So this is the example. Give an example. So the example. Okay, note பண்ணிக்கோங்க. 9 is odd number, but that is not a prime number. So question number 8. Next question number 8. So next question number 8. Each of the composite number has at least 3 factors. Each of the composite number has at least 3 factors. I think so this is the direct concept, right? So already we know that because each and every composite number has more than 2 factors. In case if the number is like a 2 factors, it has only 2 factors, what is the meaning? The number, it must be a prime number, right? So 2 numbers விட அதிகமா factors வந்துருச்சுனாலே அது composite number category வந்துரும். So இங்க நம்ம question அதே சொல்லிருக்காங்க. Each of the composite number has at least 3 factor. So more than 2 அப்படினா that is the beginning is 3, right? So simply we can choose any example because they asked, you can use any one example, right? Okay, so any example நம்ம என்ன நம்பர் choose பண்ணலாம், randomly எந்த நம்பர்னாலும் choose பண்ணிக்கலாம், composite number. You may choose any number but that number must be a composite number. So I randomly simple choose பண்ணிக்கலாம். 10 is also one of the composite number, no, right? So 10 has the factors. So what are the factors available? 1 into 10. Next, that is also 10. Next, into table, 2 into 5, that is also 10. Okay, so I think so hereafter again 5 into 2, so same number, so leave that one. Then 10th table, 10 into 1, so same, so leave that one. So here what are the factors? 1, 2, 5 and 10. 1, 2, 5 and 10. So totally how many factors? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 factors. Okay. Sir, you are choosing 10. Is the biggest number? No. So where are the original number? 2, that is the prime number. 3 is the prime number. Next number 4, that is the beginning one. Okay. I am going to choose the smallest number. 4. 4 is the smallest one, right? So here we have a factor 1 into 4, that is 4. Next 2 into 2, 2 2s are 4. So that's all, right? What are the factors? 1, 2, again here 2, here 4. So what are the factors? 1, 2 and 4. 1, 2 and 4. So we have a factor of 4 is 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4. Totally 3 factors, right? It's the smallest number, it has at least 3. So it's a direct addition. So each and every composite number has at least 3 factors. So that's all. So this is the example. Next question number 9. So 9 direct away number answer solidலாம் because simply recall the divisibility rule. நம்மளுக்கு கொஸ்டின் என்ன சொல்லியிருக்காங்க அது ரிலேட்டிவாக நம்ம திங்க் பண்ணிக்கலாம். Find the dates of any month in a calendar which are divisible by both 2 and 3. What is the meaning of both 2 and 3? So the number must be divided by 2 and also divided by 3. 2 ஆலே டிவைட் பண்ணணும், 3 ஆலே டிவைட் பண்ணணும். அப்படியே ரெண்டு நம்பராலே டிவைட் பண்ணக்கூடிய டேட் எந்தெந்த டேட். ஓகே, ஸோ இந்த டிவிசிபிலிட்டி ரூலில் இந்த மாதிரி 2க்கும் 3க்கும் ரெண்டுமே காமனாக கம்பல்சரி 2 ஆலே டிவைட் ஆகணும், கம்பல்சரி 3 ஆலே டிவைட் ஆகணும் அப்படின்ற ஒரு கண்டிஷன் எங்கே வரும்? ரீகால் பண்ணி பார்த்தீங்கன்னா நம்பர் 6 divisibility rule of 6 ரீகால் பண்ணி பாருங்க என்ன இருக்கும்? divisibility ரூலில் condition என்னது? that number must divide by 2 and divide by 3. 2 ஆலே டிவைட் ஆகும், 3 ஆலே டிவைட் ஆகும். அப்படின்னா டிவைட் ஆச்சு அப்படின்னு சொன்னால் we can divide by 6. அப்போ நம்ம டைரெக்டாக என்ன பண்ணிக்கலாம்? இண்டிவிஜுவலாக ஒவ்வொரு நம்பரையும் 2, 3 அப்படி தனித்தனி டிவைட் பண்ணாமல் டைரெக்டாக 6 எடுத்து டிவைட் பண்ணுங்க. 6ஆல் எந்தெந்த நம்பர்லாம் டிவைட் பண்ணலாம்? Maybe like a 6 table, no, right? 6 1 is 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30, 6 6s are 36 and so on. But this is the calendar, no. So it has the number of days 30 or 31, that is the maximum, right? So within that 31 we have a value up to 30. Okay, so what are the dates are available? 6, 12, 18, 24 and 30. These dates only are available for what? Is divided by 2 and also it is divided by 3. 2 ஆலே டிவைட் பண்ண முடியும், 3 ஆலே டிவைட் பண்ண முடியும். These numbers only. Okay, right. So this is a question number 9. Then the next question number 10. So I am a 2-digit prime number and the sum of my digit is 10. I am also one of the factor of 57. Who am I? So that is the question. So it is a 2-digit prime number. Right. So it is a 2-digit prime number. It's a 2-digit prime number, and also the sum of the digit answer is 10. These are the hint they are given, and also one of the factor of 57. So actually this is a main key, right? So இதை யூஸ் பண்ணி நம்ம என்ன பண்ண போறோம், இந்த நம்பர்ஸ் என்ன அப்படின்றத ஃபைண்ட் பண்ண போறோம். So this is also one of the factor of 57. So இதில் இருக்கிற ஒரு நம்பர் தான் என்னது, sum of that digit is 10. So நம்ம ஃபேக்டர்ஸை ஃபைண்ட் பண்ணால் டைரெக்டாக நம்ம ஆன்சர்ஸை ஃபைண்ட் பண்ணிடலாம். So 57 இதில் ஃபேக்டர்ஸ் என்ன ஃபைண்ட் பண்ணலாம், 1 into 57 is equal to 57. Next, then 2 table, 3 table, 3 table divide பண்ணலாமா, sum of the digit 7 plus 5 that is a 12. 12 is divisible by 3. So அதனால 3 table compulsory வரும். 1 3s are 3, remaining 2 that is a 9. 57, right? Next 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. So that's all. I think so. Next 19 la mattum da divide agum. So 19 into 3 the answer is 57. Next 57 into 1 is equal to 57. So last agum idhe da varum. So what are the factors? 1 3 19 and 57. 1 3 19 and 57. So here நமக்கு hint என்ன சொல்லிருக்காங்க, it is a 2-digit number. It is a 2-digit number. So here which one is a 2-digit number? 19 only. So this is a single digit number. So I erased, and also 3 is also one of the single digit number. So அதை erase பண்ணிக்கோங்க. 19 and 57. So these are the 2-digit number, especially okay, it's a 2-digit number, and also we have a condition. What is that? Sum of the digit is equal to 10. So sum of the digit 1 plus 9 equal to answer is 10, and also here 5 plus 7 answer is equal to 12. So see, sum of the answer is equal to 10. So compulsory ours 2-digit number is 19. So that is 1 plus 9 equal to 10. So we have an answer. What is it? That is a 9. 1 plus 9, that is a 10. We have a number that is 19. Okay. So that's all. So this is also one of the prime number. That's also up to 10 questions we have completed. So rest of the question from 11 and 12 we will see on the next video. Okay. Dhanyavad.